You ready?
Ready to rock.
We're all recording and
Right.
the first bit of the microwave goes something like this.
Oh. No pissing about that. That's big as well, isn't it? This is the most powerful one I've got. That's
Yeah, good dive.
I
Don't know what song one at one eye, but I don't know what.
This is when you put the other string in. It's the Super Sport, which is a nice one.
Right. Is this going up there, Ed? Do you reckon that'll stay on there? Of course, it's a bit heavy, isn't it? Fucking hell.
God, you put a new string in this one?
Oh, years ago.
Okay, now. 6, 7 years ago.
Yeah.
8 shot. 8. Let me have one shot with this one. Now. No messing with that one. Oh, like that. Load up with rubber bullets.
Yeah, rubber joints.
Load up, load up. Load up, Johnny's.
I'll wait for you because you want to shatter that screen first. Knock that all out. So I think the pellets are going through the bottles and shatter the screen.
Like that, I've done it for me.
Yeah.
That went through the bottle and through the screw.
Let's go to the right hand side of it. Didn't have a shot yet. Force the things in there. Force the fart out of it. Yeah.
Oh, and it gets some darts, funny enough.
Yeah.
And it gets some darts.
Okay.
Go.
Do your stuff at your screen.
That goes looking right like a bloody gun.
Lovely noise. You can bang it into the back the door of it as well, aren't you?
At the door at the back, make holes in it.
Yeah.
Just back of the microwave.
Yeah. Yeah. Excellent.
Oh. Weird, I think.
Oh, put the hole in there.
Alright, let's put some more bottles up.
Hold on, mate.
Let's juice it up.
Oh yeah, that's right. I so we had a microwave door once before. Just the door of it though, not the whole thing.
Yeah.
It's a good little, good stand for the bottles anyway.
Yeah.
Once it's all ruined. Okay, stop that for a second.